The reasons we are still not able to get the score after the updates. Pearson has got so many updates. The November started with updates and the October started with updates. So many updates. But still we are lacking somewhere. We are not able to achieve our score. Before we start, watch our results. The student has scored 8 each with 90 as well with the new experiments done, and they have achieved a very good score. The reasons could be, the number one reason why we are lacking is still using one line strategy in read aloud. I have seen number of students using one line strategy that we are unable to read the whole read aloud, we can't read, and so many reasons. But we have to make sure, if we are aiming for high, we have to do something hard and tough. Definitely we have to make sure we are not using one line strategy anymore. If we are aiming for 50, that's all good, we can go for, but 65 to 79 plus we cannot use one line strategy in read aloud. Reason why: the number one thing, if you are reading, so read aloud gives approx 22 to 25 points to your reading section. So if I am just reading the one single line, so shall I expect that reading will give me points or reading marks will be there? No, definitely, because I'm not reading the entire content. The software definitely will come to know that there is something missing. I have given her lines or something whatsoever is given, but the response was not expected. I read that line in 10 seconds and the software provides me 40 seconds to speak, but I completed it in 10 seconds. How come? So that will be a trouble. So we have to make sure that we do not use one line strategy. Another reason, reading one line strategy, when I'm doing that strategy in my read aloud, sometimes the thing occurs is I do mistakes in that too. And when I'm reading one line strategy, I'm reading one single line, I'm still doing 2 to 3 mistakes, so that affects my score again. So I have to make sure that I do not follow this strategy in my read aloud to get good score in reading as well. I told you I recently took the test. Here are my results. So my speaking is 90, but my reading is low. Why? Because I have used one line strategy. I tried reading 8 to 10 words. In some read alouds I read 12 words as well. My read alouds were very easy, but I was there for an experiment. I did it and the result is there. So one line strategy is not recommended for read aloud. We have to make sure we read it completely. PT is becoming little bit strict these days, so we have to make sure we also work hard accordingly. Number 2, using template responses in describe, image and retell lecture. I have seen the students as well that they still use the templated responses where we say there's a beautiful picture in front of me, this, the color is this. When we are speaking so many adjectives, that affects our score. Like the picture is beautiful, there are so many colors, this, that. If we are using adjectives, that becomes a template. We have to make sure that in that 40 seconds we are not supposed to speak the entire describe image. We have to just make sure that whenever we are speaking the bar graph, line graph or table, a picture, if we are speaking those, we just have to highlight the main trends. We can just say the picture is a bar graph, on y-axis this is represented, on x-axis this is represented, the categories are A, B, C, D, and there are some fluctuations. We can highlight the main trends only, because software and Pearson also said it themselves that whenever you are doing describe image, we are not supposing that student should speak the entire thing or should explain it properly. No, we have to just speak, we have to just highlight the main trends of the describe image and we gonna get a very good score in there. Then in retell lecture, still we are speaking 2233 keywords. Keywords are not working anymore, because earlier we were using the templates and keywords was fitting in there, but now we cannot use that. We have to make sure that in retell lecture we have more phrases or sentences. Try to catch 4 to 5 sentences or phrases from the retell lecture. Focus on understanding. If you will understand, you will have more content in there. So we have to make sure we use this strategy. Just say the lecture was focused on the main points discussed were the first of all the speaker spoke. In the middle he said use these single lines or the starters we can use and speak your sentences. This gonna give you very good score in there, because the software, the very first thing is AI gonna check your speaking, your describe, image and retell lecture. If you are not giving template responses, it's gonna give you a very good score. But if the software felt like you are speaking the templated responses, then score will definitely go down and will be sent to the human. So score will definitely go down. And you know, if content is 0, then fluency and pronunciation will also be 0. So we have to make sure that we focus on these things. We do not use shortcuts anymore. Pearson and PTE is not about shortcuts anymore. Shortcuts are for readings, we can use the grammar rules and stuff, but now speaking needs good response, writing needs good response, listening needs a good response. Number 3, writing one word essay or one idea in the essay. In essay writing, we have to make sure at least 2 to 3 ideas are there in each paragraph, in your body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. So introduction will be similar. In introduction, we have to make sure you usually write that my view is that. Your view should be there in introduction. Then number 2 should be in body paragraph 1. There should be related ideas, either positive or negative. According to your essay, write 2 to 3 ideas. There should be a main statement, then supporting, and then example. The format should be this. Then body paragraph 2, then there should be your statements, the main idea, supporting details and example. Example you can keep it as the template, but the first 2 lines of body paragraphs you have to make sure that we write our own ideas. In the conclusion, write the conclusion as it is, but try to give the response that the government has taken steps or something. Solutions should be there in the conclusion. So we have to make sure we write our own ideas in essay if we are aiming for high score. Number 4 is focusing on unwanted modules, the modules which are not important. My reorders are not good. I keep on practicing reorders 8 to 10. But have I ever realized that my reorders are just of 6 marks? No. So I have to make sure I practice those modules which gonna give me lots of marks and which shares marks with other section. Like read aloud gives scores to reading. So read aloud is the one. Repeat sentence the highest in the speaking section and even overall PTE. So it gives to listening. Retell lecture gives to listening. Reading, writing blanks to reading. Essay, summarize spoken text, filling the blanks of listening, highlight incorrect words and dictations. Practice the important modules. Practice smartly. Do not spend time 8 hours. Practice smartly. Follow the study plan. I have highlighted here 7-day study plan. You can focus on this and practice accordingly. So focus on the sections which gonna give you so many score. Number 6 is summarize the spoken text. We can use the template in summarize spoken text. There is no information regarding that, so we can use that. But when it comes to keywords, we are not supposed to use 2 to 3 keywords. We have to make sure we write phrases, sentences as we are supposed to do in retell lecture. But in retell lecture and describe image, we do not have to worry about spellings or grammar. But in summarize spoken text, we have to make sure we worry about our grammar and spellings. Grammatical structure matters a lot. So write simple statements. Do not go for complex or compound statements. So writing simple statements will definitely help to get a good score. Another thing, do not forget to check the word count. 70 last. If we are exceeding the word count, then our score definitely goes down and down. So we have to make sure we focus on this. Another thing, in write from dictation. Write from dictation, we are not supposed to add extra words anymore. In the worst case scenario, if we have less words, then we can use. Otherwise, a big no to that. We have to make sure that we add on it. Now let's talk about the end thing is, I'm going to show you the scorecard. I took the test. If you see, my speaking is a 90 here. So 90, the templates are working. I did not use any kind of template in my describe, image and retell lecture. I just highlighted the main points, and in retell lecture I had 6 to 7 sentences. I spoke them one by one. The lecture said the main points were, in the middle he spoke, then I just used the starters and spoke those sentences. In repeat sentences, I tried to add the fillers in the worst case scenario. Otherwise, I focused on first 4-5 words, and that were working a lot with me. So I tried to spoke first 4-5 words properly and confidently. I was completely confident in speaking section. I have not shown my emotions to the software. I was not nervous at all, so I tried. But in read aloud, I used one line strategy. I did this experiment in one line strategy. I spoke it in a very good flow and in a fast speed, but my reading went down due to this. I'm sure this has affected my score. And another thing, what I did in my test, in essay I wrote one word. Again, I wrote one keyword, one idea. I got 2 essays. In one I wrote one keyword. In another I wrote one idea. That did not work for me. In writing, I got 2 essays. In one I wrote one keyword, and in another one, what I did, I wrote one positive and one negative idea. That affected my score too, because Pearson requires ideas. And after my experiments, I sent 2 of my students for the exam. I told them, do not do these things, and see, the score is 90-90. So these are the tricks. And if I talk about my listening, in summarized spoken text, I used a good structure. I used sentences that gave me point. In write from dictation, what I did, I wrote 10 extra words. Yes, I did that. One of the dictation, I got 4 dictations, so I wrote 10 extra word with each word as an experiment. That affected my writing. So my essay writing keyword affected my writing score, and adding extra word in there affected my score. So listening was 8 in there. So we have to make sure that we avoid these things and try to focus on the things and strategies that gonna help me to get the score. So the students, you can see the results are here. They have not used one line strategy. They have added ideas in the essay. They wrote sentences and phrases, no templates in describe, image and retell lecture, no extra words, and even they took care of the sequence in describe, image and repeat sentences. We have to do that as well. So focus these things, do your test, and definitely you can connect with me and comment down your queries and concerns, because we are there to help you and more than happy to help you. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. We'll see you in the next video.